Hey you guys, it's Rihanna Nice. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another video. Today I wanted to give you guys a review of this 360 frontal wig that I ordered from this company called Hairvivi.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. I make mommy and lifestyle videos. I really hope you subscribe and join the family. But I'm on this wig journey. I've never really rocked wigs. I either rock my natural hair, do a sew-in, or some clip-ins. As a new mom, I'm definitely trying to minimize the time that it takes to get glamorous. So wigs are very intriguing to me. I see so many girls slaying their wigs. They look so great. I love that you can take them off every night, rock your natural hair whenever you want to. You don't have to get it sewn down if you don't want to. So I'm going to be purchasing a lot of different kind of wigs and just giving you guys a real honest review of everything. So this is a 360 lace wig from Hairvivi. I've also ordered a synthetic wig, so I'm going to be giving you a review on that. And then I'm also looking at investing in a more expensive wig because I do want to go blonde for the summer. And of course, I will share that experience with you guys as well and everything in between. So definitely stay tuned. If you are like me, new to wigs, this will be a great series for you so you can kind of see from a beginner's aspect what this whole wig thing is all about. If you are already way deep into the wig world, I would love to hear your advice or any kind of companies you think I should try. So drop your comment below if you are a wigologist and you have any advice for me. But let's get right into the review of this wig. I found this hair company on YouTube, of course, because this is where I live. And I've noticed a lot of good reviews from very big YouTubers. The lace looked amazing. It looked like it was very beginner friendly. So of course I wanted to order this wig. I also wanted to just see like, okay, these companies that rely heavily on YouTubers to promote their wigs and their hair, do they send the same hair, the same wig to like a regular schmegular girl like myself? Or do they send these like bomb wigs to the YouTubers and then everyone else gets trash? So I was just personally curious about that aspect. Yeah, so the ordering process was very easy. I believe I used someone's discount code, from the videos that I watched. So I definitely try to support my YouTube sisters. Ordering, I did know from the videos and on the website itself that it was going to take a minute to get the wig. I was cool with that. So I did get it in like 45 days. It came in a nice box. I've already like repurposed the box, but it was like a cute little dark blue box. It says Hairvivi on it. Had a care card inside. They gave you a free rat tail comb from Tony and Guy, which I thought was pretty cool. And then a bunch of wig caps, which was great because I didn't have any wig caps. Now, the wig itself, how is it constructed? It does have clips on the side here, clips on the back, clip right in the front, so you can totally go glueless if you want. It also has an elastic band. I do remember when I was ordering, you can get it with or without the band. So if you are more the type that will, want to glue the wig down or sew it down, you may not need the elastic band. For me, the elastic band is great because right now I don't even have it glued down at all. Heavily advertised that it came pre-bleached and pre-plucked. You can definitely see the lace is pre-bleached. I think the lace color is perfection. I'm definitely a beginner, so I definitely appreciated that step. Also, like I said, it said it was pre-plucked. To me personally, the hairline, it looks a little thick to me. And that's everyone's personal opinion, whether you want your hairline to look like that or not. But to me, the look I'm trying to achieve, the hairline's a little thick. Also, the hair itself is thick for me. The hair I ordered was 360 frontal wig, body wave, and I ordered 180 density. And that was probably my mistake. And that might be why the wig looks so heavy, because I ordered a heavier density thinking, okay, this is a very inexpensive wig, so maybe it runs thin. So I was trying to overcompensate for that. But if you're ordering this wig, I would order a lower density. Also, the hair is Indian and the length is 22 inches. You guys can see I'm 5'9". This is the length. I did clip some of the ends. The ends were very, very thin. That did not bother me. I'm used to that with human hair bundles, human hair anything. Sometimes the ends are dry. That's why I always order extra long so I can cut it. I knew I wasn't going to be bleaching this hair, so I went ahead and got Indian, which was a lower priced option, and it was a new company. It was unsure, so I didn't want to like, you know, spend $400 or $500 on a wig. I wanted to keep it very affordable. I paid $253 total for the wig with the discount. As far as shedding, things like that, it does shed quite a bit, and they might shed a little bit more than like bundles and things because the hair itself is attached to lace. The parting space is great, you guys. Now online it says it goes 6 inches deep, but the parting space is great, and like I said, the lace color itself is great. I have not even put any concealer or anything on this part. I literally just put the wig on. Also, another plus about the hair is it didn't tangle at all. You can run your fingers straight through it, so that's definitely a plus. I hate tangly hair, especially like in the back. The biggest drawback for me with this wig is it doesn't curl. It literally doesn't curl, and I'm talking about with heat products, or like, yes, last night to get ready for this video, I put a bunch of braids in the hair to give it a nice wave. And you can see, I mean, it's barely wavy. And I braided it down for at least 24 hours. When you wet it, it will go back to its natural texture. I flat ironed it twice and, you know, of course, washed it after that and went right back to the curly texture, which to me was less of a body wave and more of like an actual curl. I also feel like maybe the hair doesn't have as much body because the hair kind of is flat. I ordered a medium-sized cap, but it's way too small, and I have a 21-inch head. I do have thick hair that I do not cornrow down to wear wigs. I literally just put them in 2 braids, and then I crisscross the braids around my head, put my cap on, and put the wig on. I ordered the medium to allow the room for my hair because my head is 21 inches around, and their medium was 22 and a half. So you would think that would be plenty of room for my hair. That, along with the shedding, along with the fact that it doesn't curl, is probably my biggest drawback, because I do like to curl my hair. And I think for almost 300 bucks, you should be able to curl the hair, no problem. It should hold a curl. Most bundles that I buy, the curl holds for like weeks. So this was pretty frustrating. But overall, I think the wig is decent. But tell me what your thoughts are about this wig. Do you guys like it? Does it look good on me? Comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Have you ever ordered from this company before? Are there any other companies that you guys think that I should order from? Be sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and until the next one, bye.